Hello everyone, welcome to day 240 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this lattice lace stitch. This stitch is done on a multiple of 11 plus 1. I have 34 chains on my hook now. Into the second chain from the hook, make one double crochet and do the same thing for the next two stitches, which makes a total of 3 double crochet stitches. Now, skip 2 chains and into the third one, you're going to make a triple crochet V-stitch. Yarn over twice and make a triple crochet, chain 2 and make another triple crochet stitch. Okay. Now make 6, again skip 2 and make 6 double crochet stitches. Again skip 2 and make a triple crochet V-stitch with 2 chains in between. Okay. Again skip 2 stitches and make 6 double crochet stitches. You just have to repeat this till the end of the row, and your row will end with 3 double crochet stitches, just like how we started the row. Okay, so when I skip 2, I'm left with 3 stitches. So that I'll again make 1 double crochet into each of those 3 stitches. So that completes our row 1. For row 2 is where we are actually starting this pattern. Okay, here. So for row 2, you're going to start off with again 1 chain, turn your work, make your very first double crochet on top of the double crochets from the previous row. Now skip these 2 double crochets and make a back post triple crochet onto this V-stitch and make 5 triple crochets into the V-stitch. So the back post triple crochet is onto the post of the V-stitch and make 5 triple crochets into the chain 2 space. Okay, now again make a back post triple crochet. Okay, basically you want all the posts to align on the front side of your work. So depending on that, we'll be changing the front post and back post stitches. Now, once you're done with that, again you have to skip 2 and into the middle 2 stitches, you'll be making 1 double crochet into each. Again skip 2 and do the same thing. Back post triple crochet, 5 triple crochets into the V-stitch, Once you're done with the shell, you're going to move on to these 6 double crochet stitches where you skip 2 stitches on either side and make 2 double crochet stitches onto the middle stitch. Okay, so I've skipped 2 double crochet stitches. I made 2 double crochet stitches, again skip 2 and move on to the next shell stitch, again starting with the back post. At this point, you can choose to change the color for the next row. Once you're done with this particular row. Again, just like how we started off, we are going to skip the 2 double crochets and make 1 double crochet on top of the last double crochet here. Okay, so that completes our row 2. Row 2 is the first repeat row of the stitch. So now if you want, you can change colors here. Okay. Okay. Row number 3 starts with 2 double crochet stitches, 2 chains, and you're going to turn your work and we are going to maintain this post right here. So we'll be making a front post double crochet stitch here. Front post triple crochet. Okay. So this kind of keeps the texture to one side of our work. Now, into each of these 5 triple crochets into the V-stitch, we are going to make 2 triple crochets. Okay. Once you're done with 10 triple crochet stitches, you're going to again make a front post triple crochet onto the post right here. So make a front post triple crochet. Now moving on to the next stitch, we are going to skip these 2 double crochets here and directly make a front post triple crochet into this stitch and make 2 triple crochets into each of those 5 triple crochet stitches from the previous row. Okay, so that completes with that front post. It completes the second shell. It's just going to continue this till the end of the row. Okay, so that completes the shell. And just like how we started off the row, we have to end it with one double crochet stitch, which is on the last double crochet from the previous row. Okay, so that completes our second repeat row, or row number 3. Row number 4 starts with one chain and one double crochet stitch, and one back post triple crochet stitch, basically maintaining the texture to one side. Okay, and two triple, and you're going to make one back post double crochet, sorry, back loop double crochet onto each of these shell stitches. Okay, so go into the back loop only and make one double crochet into each of these shell stitches. Okay, and so we'll not be making the, okay, I'm going to do the row 4 again. We started off with a double crochet. We are going to skip this back post triple crochet and just make one back loop double crochet into each of these triple crochet stitches from the previous row. That will add up to 10 triple crochet stitches. Okay. Okay, so once you're done with the 10 stitches, you just directly move on to the next set of shell stitches and again make back loop double crochet stitches. So this is it about the whole row. You just have to make one back loop double crochet stitch onto each of those stitches in between the post stitches. So we are skipping the post. We'll be making a extended post to create this texture here. Okay. Okay, so end of it, you just make one double crochet on top of the chain 3 from the previous row, chain 2 from the previous row. So this is how your row number 4 looks. Now for row number 5, you're going to drop this yarn and pick up this color right here. So I'm just color changing onto the last double crochet stitch. Okay, so if you want, you can just cut and join the yarn as well, but I choose to do it this way. Now for row number 5, you're going to start off with 4 chains. So that's 1 2 3 4. Turn your work. Now we are going to make a extended double triple crochet. So you just go on to that skip stitch that we did, the post, just make a extended double triple crochet, that is you yarn over thrice, and this is going to create a half shell on either side for your next row. So basically this is the setup row. You have to come back to 6 stitches so that we can start from here again. So skip the 2 double crochet stitches and make 2 back loop, make 2 back loop only triple crochet stitches. Sorry, make 6 back loop only triple crochet stitches. So that's the first double crochet, second double crochet. Into the third one, you're making 1 back loop only double crochet and 5 more like that. Okay, now again skip the next 2. Here we are going to create a cross. So make a extended double triple. First you're going to go into this one, you're skipping this one, make one extended double triple crochet into this space here onto this post, and now chain 2, this is the V stitch, and you're going to make a extended double triple crochet onto this post, crossing both the posts like this. Okay, so now this is the setup row for your next row of shell stitches. So from here on it's just a repeat row, but then we stagger the shells like we always do with shell stitches. Okay, now again you're going to skip the first 2 and make 1 double crochet onto the next 6 stitches. You can see that we are recreating row number 1 here. Okay, okay, again skip those next 2 stitches, and we are again going to make a double triple extended front post stitch, crossing while you're making it. Okay, again skip the first 2 stitches, and into the third one you're making a back loop only double crochet, skip the next two, and again you're going to make an extended double triple crochet, chain 1 and a triple crochet on top of the last double crochet right here, creating the half shell space on either side. Okay, so now for row number 6, you're going to start off with a chain 3, turn your work into this. You'll be making a half shell, which is 2 triple crochets and a back post triple crochet. Okay, now you're going to skip 2 stitches and just make 2 double crochet stitches onto the middle 2 stitches from the 6 DC row. Again, you're going to make a back post triple crochet, and into the V space here you're going to make 5 triple crochet stitches. So this is just a repeat of row number 2 where we create the first row of shell. Again, once you're done with 5 triple crochets, you're going to make a back post triple crochet, and then skip 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet on top of each, or on top of the next 2 stitches. Again, skip 2, make a back post triple crochet and make 5 triple crochets into the stitch. Again, make a back post triple crochet, skip 2 and make 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Move on to the next front post triple crochet and make a back post triple crochet on top of that. Here it is a half shell where you just make 2 triple crochet stitches and complete with 1 triple crochet. Okay, so again, if you want, you can change your color here. Okay, now for row 7, you again start off with chain 3, turn your work. You're going to increase this so that will make 4 triple crochets into the half shell, and a front post triple crochet, and you're going to skip these 2 double crochets and make a front post triple crochet again into this one, and increase the 5 shells to 10 stitches by making 2 triple crochets into each. I hope you understood the pattern. We are just repeating the row, except we are staggering the shell stitches in between. Do try out the stitch. So once you're done with row 7, you're going to do row 8 as row number 4 and row 9 as row number 5, and then you repeat from 2, 3, 4 again till row number 9. Do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comment section below, or you can reach us out on our Instagram DM. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch.